It's a first alert action day as rain and wind batters the region, bringing down trees and power lines across the area. The storm has also triggered evacuations, shut down roads, and canceled classes for thousands of students. And we're not done yet. Thanks for joining us here at noon. I'm John Dabkovich. Authorities in Vacaville have issued an evacuation warning at this hour because of the fears of flooding in that area. Vacaville police say that they are worried about the Puta Creek Canal and Alamo Creek. They are telling people in the Southwood Place neighborhood to be ready to evacuate quickly. Also, an evacuation warning is in effect in El Dorado County. That affects the area near Highway 50 and Whitehall, as well as Highway 49 and Union Mine Road up to the Amador-El Dorado County border. The sheriff there says if you have pets and livestock, you should consider leaving now because it may take you longer to get out in the case of an emergency. And in Sutter County, the sheriff is asking people in the Lovey's Landing trailer park to leave. That park is near the Sacramento River levee. The sheriff says the river is expected to rise to historic levels, or I should say was expected to rise to historic levels by 8 o'clock this morning, which would flood the park. At this hour, though, no word yet if that has actually happened, but still they're telling people to get out. The city of Sacramento is also operating a shelter for people who have been evacuated or just need to get shelter from the storm. You can go to the Hart Senior Center. They also have transportation available if you need it, and pets are allowed there as well. If you'd like more information, you can call 211. As we mentioned, it is a first alert action day as yet another storm moves through. I want to get to Tracy now with the latest on the forecast. Hey, Tracy.
Hey, John. Yeah, it's starting to sound like a broken record. We've been looking at rain showers in the forecast almost for the last 14 days. Off and on rain showers continue to be in our forecast. They're all complements of subtropical moisture coming in out of the Pacific, bringing us rounds of rainfall, rounds of wind, a very strong wind from time to time, and also quite a bit of snowfall. So today is a first alert action day for rain, wind, and snow. Tomorrow will be one as well, as another round of rainfall coupled with some thunderstorms. Still got some strong winds and of course still more snowfall. Impacts for today: we are expecting a break in the action coming in just about now. River and stream flooding is still top of mind as that flood watch is in effect until Wednesday. Widespread down trees, that's not going anywhere. Again, more rain and wind expected as early as tomorrow, and rock slides and mudslides are expected. Excessive rain outlook for today. You can see that as much of the valley from Sacramento all the way to the Bay Area and also parts of the foothills for today. As you move into tomorrow, you can see mostly it's a higher terrain event. Not to say we won't get some for the other areas, but the bulk of it coming in for the higher terrain. First alert Doppler radar showing the clearing coming in back behind the passage of a cold front, that clearing from the west to the east. And you're going to have a few breaks of sunshine in there. Not a lot, just a few. You'll see clouds coming in, basically taking place of those rain and snow showers. And then we'll start to see something else, some clearing building in back behind that frontal passage. We have more rain and snow in the forecast as early as tonight and tomorrow morning, John. We'll time that out in just a few moments.
Okay, Tracy, thank you very much. I-80's back open after being shut down for much of the morning rush hour this morning. Take a look at this. This was what it looked like on the westbound side. Well, actually, this is what it looks like cleaned up now, but that's what it looked like earlier this morning on the westbound side at Longview. It was completely flooded. That brought traffic to a standstill for several hours. Officials say they have cleared a drain and they were able to reopen that stretch of the highway.